Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Durendi Rektanto. I'm from SIMAP 3. I will present of article intravesical gemcitabine versus mitomycin for non-muscle invasive bladder cancer, a systematic review and meta-analysis of randomized controlled trial. Abstract. Background: mitomycin (MMC) has been frequently used as the compound for intravesical treatment. The relatively new primidine gemcitabine has exhibited anti-cancer effect on various solid cancer such as the advanced bladder cancer. In this study, the GEM and MMC in treating non-muscle invasive bladder cancer and MIBC case was compared through systemic review method in accordance with the preferred reporting item for systematic review and meta-analysis statement. The electronic database including Embase, PubMed, Chinese Biomedical Literature Database, the Cochrane Library, the National Institute for Health, the Clinical Excellence, and as evidence, Chinese Technology Periodical Full Text Database and Chinese Periodical Full Text Database were systematic review from inspection to October 2018. The Refman 5.0 software was applied for data analysis 5 randomized controller trials involving a total of 335 patients were included. Result for MMC group: the recurrent rates in the mitomycin arm increased compared with that in GEM group or 0.45 95%, and the difference was statistically significant between the two groups. GEM was associated with reduced incidence of chemical cysts compared with that of MMC or 0.2395% to 0.12 and 0.44 difference in hematuria or 0.46 and 95%, 0.16 and 1.31 skin reaction or 0.49 95%, 0.14 and 1.70 and liver and the kid's function damage or 0.51 95%, 0.09 and 2.85 displayed no statistical significance between the two groups. Conclusion: finding in your study demonstrate the superior efficacy of GEM over MMC in reducing the relapse rate among an MEBC patient follow transcurrent resection. In addition, GEM association with reduced local toxic effect on the bladder compared with those of MMC. However, more future study are needed to examine game safety when used as the monotherapy or polytherapy for bladder patient. More RCT with high quality are also required to validate or finding due to the limitation of the current meta-analysis. Background: bladder cancer has become a common cancer worldwide and 430 new cases and over 1,065 deaths are reported in 2012. Transitional cell carcinoma is dominant in bladder cancer. In addition, adenocarcinoma, cancer organization from the mucus making and releasing cell, and squamous cell carcinoma, cancer organizing from the den and fat cell, are also observed. Generally, bladder cancer associated with the following symptoms: frequent urination, bloody urine during the sleep, rusty, the deep red color of urine, urination pain or urination sensation with urine in the deep. The incidence of bladder cancer in male and female are reported to be 3.4 and 1.2% respectively. However, that in patient age over 70 years is twice to three higher than that among patient age 55 and or 65 years and 60 and 15 to 20 times greater than for patient age 30 and 54 years. As estimated by World Health Organization, there were 120 132.432 bladder cancer related deaths in the world in 2000. About 80% bladder cancer are non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. Restricts to the urothelium clinical stage or lamina propria stage 1 at first, which is measured by the in situ flat carcinoma. Stage this tumor relapse following the surretinal recession has been identified as a main issue in treating non-muscle invasive bladder cancer, specifically the mechanism regarding NMIBC relapse following are shown as the follow residual tumor organism from the incomplete resection, flood cancer cell implantation in traumatized bladder sites, incidence of the neoplasma due to high cancer aggressiveness, relapse, and at the urothelial instability sites, atypia, hyperplasia, and dysplasia. Over 15 and 70% tumor relapse signs no adjuvant treatment is given, and approximately 15% case develop muscle-invasive cancer eventually. Method search strategy in occurs with private reporting item for systematic review and meta-analysis statement. The electronic database, including Embase, PubMed, Chinese Biometric Literature Database, the Cochrane Library, the National Institute for Health and Clinical Excellence, NHS Evidence, Chinese Periodical Full Text Database, and Chinese Technological Periodical Full Text Database, where systemically reviewed from in caption to October 2018 to identify the randomized controlled trial atau RCT. It compare the efficacy and safety of GAM and MMC in the tracing and MIBC case. Additionally, the critical Chinese magazine in relevant field were also retrieved manually. Corresponding search engine were employed to identify to relevant reference and each reference in the enrolled article was retrieved as will to discover other possible relevant publication. Data collection to research independently if those retrieved title and abstract in accord with the study inclusion criteria and the inappropriate article were excluded. Any disagreement between them was that down the opinion from a author afterward data were extracted by the SAMS author independently by the use of uniform data collection from. Besides, the evaluation quality items includes the consignment of allocation, redemption, blending, subject research, outcome measure, data analysis, as well as follow-up complaints. Statistical analysis dichotomous outcome such as recurrence, mortality, progression of tumor staging, distance, metastasis, system, and local adverse reaction, treatment delay or withdrawal were present in the manner of relative rise under corresponding 95% confidence interval. The data were extract and pulled using the random effect model for quarantining Eurometrical, Robertson, and other susceptibility. We also adopted the fake effect model for analysis. Result. Certain result figure 1 display the study retrieval and screening procedure. A total of 213 preliminary study were retrieved initially, among which 208 were ruled out from this study later. Finally, 5 RCT, including 335 cases, were included. Second, and 20 of which mention outcome including recurrent rate and toxicity evaluation, chemical hematuria, skin reaction, and liver and kidney function damage. Discussion data analysis is approach adopted to statistically pull and examine the finding from several independent RCT. And MIBC is generally associated with favorable clinical outcome, but it is refractory due to the increased tumor relapse rate following TUR. As matter on fact 40 and 85% case develop tumor relapse in 2 and 5 years following standardized TOR with approximately 10% among such relapse patients are at the more advanced stage. Conclusion In conclusion, our meta-analysis support that game can be a potential again of intravesical therapy with better efficiency than MMC in preventing recurrence of patients with non-muscle invasive bladder cancer after COR. At the same time, we observed that game produce lower local toxic effect that MMC during intravesical therapy. In, in education, more study are need to examine the game safety and more high quality RCT are warranted to valid your conclusion to the limitation. Uh, Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.